I bought two keyboards under 50 pounds from Amazon, and in today's video I'm going to be comparing them on design quality, how they actually sound, and how fast I can type on them. A little bit of a different video today, but let's see what these keyboards look like. T8 RGB backlight mechanical keyboard by Zang. Zang? Hope I'm saying that correct. So here we have cable. Interesting. It's a USB on one side, and I guess this is the keyboard cable on the other side. I think that's what goes in the keyboard, and the USB on the other side. We'll have a little manual here. I'm gonna come back to that later. And here's the actual keyboard. Okay. This is my first mechanical keyboard, so the shift already seems to be, they're kind of blurry. Oh, I guess maybe because it'll be better when it's lit up. And then we have another operating manual. Okay. Is there anything else? Here we go. And there's a bigger cable. And a couple of extra keys. Okay, let's try and connect this now. Oh, here we go. So this goes in here. There we go. Well, there we go. Let's try the other one. Okay, so this is the MK Box Plus gaming keyboard by Magigi. All right. This one has a lot more extra keys, and they're in yellow. I'm not sure which color did I get for the actual keyboard. This is the operating manual, I'm gonna guess. Yep. Let's see the actual keyboard. There we go. Now this is a Bluetooth keyboard or a Wi-Fi keyboard. It sounds very different. You're gonna hear the ASMR coding session a bit later, but this does feel a lot different when you type. There's a Bluetooth keyboard, so let's connect this one. Oh, you can see the colors. It is not as bright as the other one. I'll tell you that much. Let's see what else we have in this box. And we have a cable for charging. Oh, it is a Bluetooth kind of, but you need this connect the receiver on the other side. That's it. Okay, let's connect this one. The extra keys I got, they're in different color. Well, I guess that's the scheme, the other scheme that I could use this for. It has some of the keys, as you can see, they're in yellow. This doesn't seem to be connected. Okay, this is actually Bluetooth. So I've paired it with Bluetooth and I can type as easy as that. It does have a few different light modes. So I played around with both of these keyboards. They do look very similar. They both have kind of similar shaping. You see the color scheme is also very, I mean this one's white and dark gray, but this one is gray and darker gray. But the same kind of pattern you see on both of them. And when you order them, you can choose which colors you want. I chose this one and this one. They have other ones as well. In terms of the sound, this one is much more quieter, you can hear. But it doesn't really feel when you click the buttons. Maybe I'm not like 100% sure that I've actually clicked the button. This one has like a clicky sound. If you can hear that. And it's much more loud, as you heard in the ASMR. But like this one's a bit too loud for me. This one's a bit too quiet for me. I will still play around with them and code with them and see which one I like more. This one's also RGB, so it has multiple colors. So that's nice if you're really into that. And also this is a wired one. This one's a wireless one. If I have to choose one of these, I'm gonna go with this one. It just feels a little bit better than the other one, just slightly. These are my first mechanical keyboards and I haven't really tried any other ones, but I wanted to find some cheap options and see which one's good. There's also a lot of different ones on Amazon. I might do another review in the future as well. So this is my choice. Zang. Yeah, that's been it for this video. It's a bit different than all my other videos. I see mechanical keyboards are gaining popularity, so I thought, why not try it? I wanted to get one anyways. Yeah, if you want a cheap Amazon keyboard, for now, this is my recommendation. I'm gonna put links in the description below where I found them. I just know this is gonna be too loud for whenever I'm on calls, because I've heard other people on calls that have loud keyboards and it's a bit too loud. Okay, that's been it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you have any feedback, put down in the comments. If you have any other suggestions for keyboards, I want to try better ones in the future, but for now this is gonna do. Let me know if there's any keyboards that you like. If you have any questions about the keyboards, I might add an update in the comments after I've used them for a few months. This was just like unboxing and testing out like a first impression of these. But yeah, that's been it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy coding. Bye.